Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use a smartphone to scan a document into a PDF file. I will talk about how to use two smartphone apps to scan a document. One is Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan. So you will need to download Adobe Scan to your phone. Another one is Microsoft Office. Both apps are available on cell phones across different platforms. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android phone. You should be able to find both apps in the um, cell phone apps store. Okay, so I will quickly show how to use both apps. I will start open the first app, Adobe Scan, and if it's your first time to use it, you will need to sign in, or go ahead and sign in using my Apple ID. Okay, once you sign in, the welcome page comes up, and you just tap let's go, and then now you are ready to scan your document. So aim your camera, cell phone camera at the document and make sure it contains the entire document, and then tap on the circle. Then the document is captured. Okay, and then you can adjust the border, adjust the four corners, and then so that the cell phone captures the entire document. Tap continue, and then your document is captured. Okay, tap on that icon, and then you see the document is scanned into a PDF. You will need to save it as a PDF file. So tap Save PDF, and see now the file is created, and you can tap Share to share or to send the PDF file to anybody. You can send the link, you can email the link to the scanned PDF file, or you can share a copy. So that's it. Now, next I will go to talk about the second cell phone app that you can use. So this is Microsoft Office. So you will need to download this app onto your phone, okay? And then go ahead and start it. If it's first time you use it, it'll ask you to sign in. Go ahead and type in your school email address. You can type in your Microsoft email address or your school email address. Okay, I would recommend that you type in your school email address. Okay. Okay, the app leads you to your school single sign-on page, and then type the password. Log in. Once you have logged in, and then you can start to scan a document. So you can either tap the plus sign or tap Actions. Okay, I'll go to tap Actions, and then scroll up a little bit. You can see Scan to PDF. Okay, that's what we're gonna use. So tap Scan to PDF, and then you are ready to scan a document. Okay, just aim the cell phone camera at the document and make sure that the document is entirely captured, and then tap on the circle. and the document is captured. Okay, you can adjust again the border by move the circles on the border, make sure all the entire document is captured, and then tap down, and that's it. You can add new pages. If you only have one page, tap down again, and now the document is captured. Okay, and now to see your document and also to share, you can go ahead and tap this icon to share, or you can tap the left arrow to go back. Scar save. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap on the share icon, and then over here you can share it. You can save it to a local disk. You can keep a local copy, or you can save it to your cloud drive. Okay, or stop here. So that's how you use Microsoft Office to scan a document into a PDF file.